Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to your SST class. In my last class, I have finished the first lesson of geography and I have forwarded the exercise part. Question answers are not yet given. That you will get very soon. Okay. I'm very sorry I could not take your class yesterday. Okay. So, let's start the lesson. Today we are going to do lesson 5 from your civics part of SST. What is lesson 5? Lesson 5 is regarding local government and Panchayat Raj. Now, first we need to know what is local government. Local government means they are the base of three-tiered structure. Three-tier structure means central government, state government and local government. Our government are of three types. They are federal in form, that is more than one. Main is the central government, then is the state government and then the local government. So local government is the base of the three-tiered government, that is the central, state and local. Understand that? Now, what do the bodies or the state union local government does? Means which is the part or what are the places which is under the control of the local government. Normally, these bodies, they look after the local governing bodies because people of locality, they govern by creating their own community like villages. Panchayat. Panchayat is not something which is being nominated by the whole state or the whole area, but they are selective members of a bit more age, more than middle age. They are quite old enough and they have a good experience of life. Basing on that, they become a part of Panchayat. Panchayat comes from five, Panch, 5 head person. From there, they sit together and they make Panchayat. This is Panchayat. 5 पंचों को लेकर जो चीज तैयार होती है उसको पंचायत कहते हैं. समझ में आई मेरी बात? Okay. So local government, they are mainly have the responsibility to look after the people in the local bodies like in villages, town or city, but not in countries or states. Clear? Now, this is not always possible for the central or state government to look after the local places like villages, towns, cities. Means what are the situations going on over there? What are the problems that are taking place and how they can be solved? So, they have prepared local government so that local government can take care of these departments and they will let the state government and the central government know about it and then the serious steps will be taken. Otherwise, basic problems can be easily sorted out by these local governments. Okay. Now, democracy, as we have seen, is about participation and accountability. How much you are participating and what are the benefits which are coming out from your participation. Strong and proactive local government ensure effective participation and accountability at the grassroots. In the base level, their 100% participation is highly required in a local government. Okay. Now, local government, what do they include? Basically, they are looking after the rural and urban areas. And in cities, they have municipal corporation. In larger urban areas, they are having municipal councils. And in smaller urban areas, they are having Nagar Panchayat. And in villages, they are having Panchayati Raj system. Clear? So, we have finished up till the structure of the Panchayati Raj. Okay. Go through this part. Try to understand it very clearly. Otherwise, the rest part will not be clear to you all. Okay. I'll be back with you very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.